The Global Optiver Academy brings new starters together from Optiver offices around the world. This is a great opportunity for new starters not only to visit the Amsterdam office, but also to get to know each other and learn together throughout the training program. These inter-team and inter-office connections help provide a great start to their careers and can help encourage collaboration further on. It consists of two parts. One part is a trading component where they get to learn about the theory of trading, as well as a practical component where they work on simulated trading. There is also a technological part where they get to learn about the various technologies that we use at Optiver. This consists of lectures that cover hardware, software, and infrastructure, as well as skill labs where they get to work on coding exercises, where they get to look at the libraries that we use at Optiver, understand how we work at Optiver, and the various software components that they'll deal with on a day-to-day basis.
In terms of expectations, I had three, so trading, tech, and networking. So trading, I missed out on it last time, so it's nice to catch up on those things. Tech, since it's my first job, it's nice to get like formal practical training. And with networking, since I've lived in the same city for my entire life, it's nice to get a global perspective from people from different regions.
So learning the options theory really comes down to, we would have a lecture from Max, who is one of the former traders and now is, one of the mentors here. And after the lectures, they gave us time to do problems, and it was a really collaborative experience.
It's been really fun so far. We've had a couple of weeks of trading theory lectures, which have been pretty immersive, and we also get time to do exercises to reinforce the new content that we're learning. I like that there's a mix of tech and trading components.
Being able to network with peers across the world has been wonderful because everyone has different perspectives, knowledge, and then we can come together and study and learn together.
For anyone, I guess, looking to join Optiver or has just joined Optiver, I would say be open to meeting new people and just interact and talk to everyone you can, because there's always something new you can learn from everyone.